They served our country with honor. They protected our communities with courage. But when they come home, sometimes the battle isn't over. Sometimes it's just getting to work, getting to the doctor, getting their kids to school. Your donated car doesn't just go to auction. If possible, we repair it. With Cars for Heroes, it becomes something greater. We take that vehicle you no longer need and we transform it into freedom, into opportunity, into hope. For 30 years, Cars for Heroes has been turning donations into life-changing moments. That rusty car in your driveway, it could become the keys to a veteran's new job. The transportation a first responder needs to care for their family. The mobility that changes everything. Don't let your car sit at auction. Let it serve those who served us. Change a life. Donate at carsforheroes.org.